But you have Gatorade over there.
Bushy?
No, say good morning to Grandma.
Good morning, Grandma.
And good morning, Papa.
Good morning, Papa.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Give kisses.
Ooh.
Say, when are you coming to see me?
Why come see me?
I don't know.
I don't know. This
Yes, baby.
I want juice.
You want juice?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, get it. Come on, let's find your crayons.
That's mine.
Yes, it's yours. Did you tell him what you said? It's so freezing. Say it.
Hi.
Say it's so freezing.
I see you. I see you.
Now you're sleeping.
No. No. Yes.
Say, crayons, where are you?
Huh?
Crayons, where are you?
Crying about you. That was you.
Where are your paper?
A crunch.
You found them.
Am I food?
Your paper's over here.
Yeah.
Let's get your table, okay?
Yeah. Pick up the blue.
No, pick that up, Jalen. That's not nice.
No. What dear?
What color is that?
Yellow.
No. That's yellow over there. What color do you have in your hand?
Green.
Green. What color is that?
Blue.
Yes. What color is that?
Peppers.
Purple. And what color is the one underneath it?
Pink.
Good girl. High five.
I picked 9.
Are you going to draw a picture for Grandma?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good girl.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Do you color a picture for Grandma?
No.
No. Why?
Okay. That's it. No. I know.
What'd you say?
See? Look. You see? What? Give me that. Give me that.
Yeah.
Thank you. Why is sitting like green? Hey, I cut it. Mommy, I cut it.
Mommy's at work.
Mommy, work.
Yeah, Mommy's working.
Mommy.
She's working. We're going to go to the beach with Daddy today.
No. Boo.
Boo. Boo.
Boo.
The pool?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.